Hello YouTube fam, welcome back to our channel. In this channel, we will be discussing various topics in the exciting world of AI, machine learning, and computer vision. Our content is crafted by our awesome human team, but here's the magic. It's finely tuned and optimized by our AI wizards, bringing you top-notch information. And guess what? The presentation is delivered to you by our AI hosts and voiced by our incredible AI avatars. Let's get started. In today's video, we will discuss about OpenAI Function Calling, Tools and Agents. Thanks to platform.openai and Cookbook, OpenAI. Function calling is the art of linking powerful language models with external tools to supercharge their capabilities. OpenAI's function calling feature allows a language model to invoke external functions to perform specific tasks, making it more interactive and capable. This means the AI can use predefined functions to get data, perform calculations, or execute actions, and then incorporate the results into its responses. Here's a simple explanation with an example. Imagine you have a smart assistant, the language model, that can not only answer questions but also perform tasks by calling functions you've defined. When the assistant encounters a situation where it needs to use these functions, it will. Step 1. Recognize the need. The assistant identifies that a function call is necessary to get accurate information or perform a task. Step 2. Call the function. It uses the function to get the required data or execute the task. Step 3. Use the results. It then includes the function's output in its response to you. Here is an example of managing a to-do list with step-by-step process. Step 1. Your request. Add buy candles to my to-do list. Step 2. Assistant's thought. I need to update the user's to-do list with the new task. Step 3. Function call. The assistant calls a function add to-do task with the parameter buy candles. Step 4. Function execution. The add to-do function updates the to-do list in the system and returns a confirmation. Step 5. Assistant's response. The assistant then uses this data to confirm the task has been added. The task buy candles has been successfully added to your to-do list. To summarize, the below sequence captures the key steps involved in function calling with a language model. Step 1. Define functions. Query LLM. Step 2. Returns JSON object. Step 3. Parse string JSON. Call function. Step 4. Append response. Query LLM. Step 5. Model summarizes. For today's example, we will consider a chatbot agent for an e-commerce application. We will have an order information database which stores information about the items available in the catalog. It also stores information about orders placed by the customers and also about the shipping status of the items in those orders. We will have a customer chat with a customer service chatbot. The customer will ask questions about the items in his past orders. The customer also asks about products available in our catalog. The customer uses natural language to ask questions. Our chatbot agent uses OpenAI function calling and executes queries against the SQL database. It fetches relevant results from the SQL tables and then summarizes the information back to the customers. Let us see a code demo. We will use SQLite database. We will create a table called order data and store 3 orders for 3 customers. We will create a table called item data to store corresponding items and the shipping status. We will create a table called product data to store all the catalog data. Next, we will set up SQL metadata fetch functions. We will create functions find tables, find columns, find database. Next, we will set up tool to specify the function. We will name it as invoke database API call. We will mention the parameters with type and properties. we will use OpenAI and define the LLM response request function. We can see that we are passing tools argument to the client chat completions.create function. All right, let us proceed with use case 1, where the customer asks about order status. For the system role, we will set content as answer user questions by generating SQL queries against the order information database. For the user role, we will set content as, "Hi, my name is Bob. Can you let me know the status of my order items?" We will call the LLM response request function. If the LLM determines that we need to call the function, the response contains the tool calls message. The tool calls is most important as it contains the function details. When we look at the function arguments, we can see this is the database query which the LLM came up with. We can see it's using the correct table item data and it's using the correct filter for customer name Bob. Subsequently, we will call the execute function which runs the school query, and we add the output back to the message. For our final message, we will set role as system and content as summarize in text format only the final status information provided by the content in ask database function results provided in the messages. We will invoke the LLM response and then we can see the final status. It says order item with item number 200, item name VR glasses, and status shipped. For our second use case, we will ask about product catalog. We will ask, can you let me know what are all the product you sell? We can see the LLM coming up with corresponding query specifying the product data table. Subsequently, we will call the execute function which runs the school query and we add the output back to the message. Or our final message. We will set role as system and content as summarize in text format only the final status information provided by the content in ask database function results provided in the messages. We will invoke the LLM response and then we can see the final status. It says TV, fridge, VR glasses, pet robot, fitness watch. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned for more exciting adventures in the world of AI and machine learning. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe for more tech talks, and ring that notification bell to stay updated on our future explorations. Until next time, happy coding and keep the curiosity alive. Thanks for watching.